this is Carolyn Capalbo with Long & Foster, and my question of the day is, should you refinance? It's October of 2019 and interest rates are again below 4%. And some of my clients are asking me, should I refinance? And my answer is, it depends. Are you going to stay in your home for a long period of time, or are you going to stay in your home for a short period of time? That can make the difference between whether or not refinancing makes financial sense. If you're going to be staying in your home for a long period of time, it may make sense to refinance your home. One question to ask the lender is, when you refinance, are they going to extend your loan back to a 30-year commitment? Or maybe are you going to shorten your time period so that perhaps you pay down your mortgage faster? You might refinance and find that you're paying more per month, but then you own your home free and clear in a shorter period of time. That's a great way to go ahead and maximize and leverage refinancing to do debt restructuring. The cost of refinancing may not be recouped by your lower payment, so you need to weigh those factors very, very carefully. If you're short term, and a good idea for refinancing might be to take some cash out of your home to go ahead and renovate so you could sell, remodel, or fix things up so you could sell, or perhaps take money out so you can use it as a down payment on your next property. These are valid and great reasons to refinance in the short term. The best reasons to refinance are debt reduction. Will this be able to allow you to free up some debt, take care of some things in the short term that will help you save money in the long run? Now be careful, your house is not an ATM machine, and I mean that sincerely. Please don't just take out money to pay bills only to allow yourself to go and start that spending trend all over again. If you are going to use your house to pay down debt, please do not accumulate additional debt, because you'll find yourself in a never-ending debt spiral, and that's not good. Using a refinance to improve your property for a long-term stay is a wonderful use of that capital. Most of the time when you do a renovation or an addition or something to enhance the property for your living, if you would, you're actually adding to the value of the home. So the money spent could actually be offset from improvement to the property. That's a wonderful way to use a refinance. In addition, another great way to use a refinance is for investing. Perhaps you want to utilize a little bit of cash for a down payment on an investment property. I'm not talking about the stock market, that's a little speculative. But if you wanted to utilize your home, or maybe use that home as your new investment and take the cash out to then purchase something new, it's a wonderful way to utilize a cash out refinance. Another great tool for refinance is using it as a bridge structure. In other words, whether it's a cash out for a down payment on the next house, or another type of strategy to get you from the one house that you're in to an upgrade house or a downsized house, it's also a great strategy, bridge financing. My few key takeaways from refinancing your house: there needs to be a little bit of pain, a little bit of inconvenience for the gain that you make for refinancing your home. Your house is not an ATM machine. And the other thing is, if you've already paid 7 or 8 years on a mortgage, when you refinance, be mindful not to bring it back out to a 30-year, because all you've done is you've kicked that can further down the road and you've extended your period of indebtedness. When you refinance, you should try and match the months that you're actually currently at. You don't want to continue to kick that debt can down the road. You want to make it as a great reduction strategy. Also, don't be afraid when you refinance to take your 30-year mortgage and maybe bring it down to a 15 or 20 or even a 10-year mortgage. Your payment may actually go up, but eventually you'll be debt-free. Don't hesitate to reach out to me to let my financial wherewithal help you with your decision whether or not to refinance, upgrade your home, downsize your home, or just in general ask questions about real estate investing and how you can become debt-free and leverage refinancing and real estate to your benefit. Give me a shout. My number is 703 477-6022. Have a great day.